Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Khoza has finally decided to break the ice and address that video of him which trended after he was seen in an altercation with an old white man where he was allegedly drunk. In the video, he was seen insulting an unidentified white man while others were trying to calm him down. It is still unclear as to when that video was taken, you guys, and SK has decided to speak to Times Live as to what actually transpired. He told the publication this: "It was a moment where I was treated in a bad way and I lost my cool. No one was hurt, just somebody was sawn at." He also responded to the allegation that people were making about him being under the influence of drugs by saying, "People like to say nonsense. I don't do drugs. My family knows that. I've taken a drug test in front of my family members." It's literally one of those moments where I was rubbed the wrong way and I reacted. That's all. He later took to his Instagram shortly after that video trended, you guys, and shared this post. He wrote that maybe some of us were meant to live and be great in another lifetime, and this one is just not for us, leaving his fans worried and wondering if he was suicidal. He has also responded to that post and said, "I purposefully did that because I wanted to show people that they are quick to jump to conclusions. When I said that maybe some of us are meant to be great in the next lifetime, maybe it's just that. It means maybe. If things are not great in this lifetime, maybe they'll be great in the next."